what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, we're going up to the International Space Station where you're going to see something appear to leap off of the surface of the Earth and head out into space. You're also going to see what looks like a large fleet of over 50 objects, once again visible from the International Space Station. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomena photos sent in from all around the world. But first, over here at the website, scrolling down to today's birthday banner, Gene D, April 20th, and Sean O, April 20th. Happy birthday to you guys. Today is your birthday. Trudy Chase had a birthday on February 14th, and AJ Jimenez had a birthday on April the 18th. So once again, happy birthday to you guys. Since we're here at the website, quick look at the Schumann resonance. All in all, pretty quiet. A little quieter today than it was yesterday. Looking at power outages, at one time there were over 150,000 customers between New York and Pennsylvania without electricity, and at another time it was even higher than that. That's just when I happened to see it. So power outage in the upper northeastern United States, supposedly from a very heavy snowstorm. Looking at the GOES X-ray flux over here at the Space Weather Prediction Center, saw yet another large X-class solar flare, almost an X3 class solar flare. You can see it here over at the Solar Dynamics Observatory. This one was coming from an unusual location as it was rotating away from planet Earth. So more than likely this was not Earth directed, even though the ionosphere reacted almost instantly to the energy from this large X flare. I think it was an X2.2 or something like that, but you can see the shock wave that came out from the X flare. It was detected in the ionosphere, again, almost instantly, and we're still waiting to see if there is an Earth-directed CME from that activity. Looking at the northeastern limb of the sun, the party just got bigger as yet another sunspot is turning towards the Earth, coming around from the backside of the sun. That will make 5 sunspots in this very large region that's turning towards the Earth. Coming over here to the Lake Mead Water Database, looking at the water level behind Hoover Dam, looking at yesterday's measurement from April 19th of 2022, 1,057.46. That is yet another new record low. And right now, all we do know is that there's consistently more water going out of Hoover Dam than there is coming in, and that is creating a new record low measurement each day that we move forward. And in the last 10 years, there's been a record set on this day each consecutive year. So the water level at Lake Mead that supplies water to millions of people is steadily getting lower and lower. I want to take you guys now up to the International Space Station. This video footage was sent in by Jim out of Rhode Island, and he just happened to notice this going across the screen of his computer, so he grabbed his phone. The light you see right here is actually the flash of his phone reflecting off of his computer monitor. But here's the large fleet that he happened to see moving across the screen from right to left. Those are not lights on the surface of the Earth. I suppose those could be a large fleet of ships out in the southern Atlantic Ocean, because that's where the space station was at the time he saw this large fleet appear in the field of view of the International Space Station live cam on April 16th of 2022. I'll let you guys decide. I'm not quite sure what we've got going on here. They almost appear to be tumbling, or at least moving around a little bit as they're crossing the field of view of the International Space Station. They do appear to be moving from right to left as the space station is moving from left to right. Here they are in a slightly different format, and I sped up the video just a little bit as well so you can kind of get a better look at how fast they are moving, or at least they appear to be moving fast. Here's another format of the objects. Again, I don't know what these are exactly. People say that sometimes this has the ability to pick up fishing vessels out in the ocean, and if that is the case, that is a fleet of over 50 vessels in the ocean, or it's something in space moving pretty close to the space station. A large fleet of unknown points of light from this perspective, visible from the International Space Station. Video observation once again sent in by Jim out of Rhode Island. And here's yet another unique video. This footage was sent in by Alfredo G from April 17th of 2022, and you're going to see an object appear to leap off of the surface of the Earth, or at least go through the atmosphere, and then disappear over here into the darkness of space. Okay, here comes the object. See it right there by the arrow of my mouse? Here it's coming out of the atmosphere, and you're seeing something go into space, and then it's going to just disappear. Appears to be pretty good size, appears to be white, and then it just disappears right there. I'm going to fast forward it, do some enhancements, zoom in a little bit, and you can see something clearly leave the surface of the Earth and disappear into space. Have no idea what we've got going on here either, guys. I've been getting a lot of unusual footage from the International Space Station here in the last couple of years, more so than I can ever remember. Here it is up close once again, and looks like a large object left the surface of the Earth, and right there you can see it just clearly disappeared into space. Here it is in yet another enhanced format, trying to pull forward this thing best I could, and this one too was recorded off of the computer monitor, so I couldn't pull it in too close without becoming too heavily pixelated, but we still get the idea. There was something that left the surface of the Earth and disappeared into space on April 17th of 2022. Good video by Alfredo. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate that. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomenon photos sent in from all around the world. Photo here sent in by Suzanne out of Olympia, Washington, of a fiery orange sky. Nicola T out of England. Looks like some sort of a hole punch cloud in the sky above England. And here's yet another example of that same type of phenomena. Photo sent in by Chris C from right out here in Arizona. Looks like a little oval up in the sky, or an oval opening. Matt B out of South Florida. Notice what looked like a big rectangle in the sky. Get a load of that, would you? How does that happen? Looks totally unnatural. Perfect 90-degree angle right there in the sky. Looks like a large rectangle he noticed in the sky above South Florida. Great photo there by Matt B. Ariel P. also from South Florida. Ominous looking roll cloud very low to the ground. Christy M. from Lakeland, Florida. Big jumbo orange clouds at either sunrise or sunset. Great job, guys. Keep the photos coming. If you have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports@MrMBB333.com. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.